we're starting to go down. English yun, no? Nandito kami sa Charing Canyon. Pagbaba daw ay ayan ang mahirap. Pero pagdating mo naman sa pagpanik, pwede kang kumuha ng isang taxi na magpapanik sa iyo. Kadalasan mga lumang Soviet bus. Ito yung dalawang klase, pwede sa taas, pwede dito sa baba. Rombic yun dun sa sa taas, pero dito sa baba kami Jing.
Wala pa naman.
Ayan, kukumpletohin natin yung ating kukumpletohin natin itong ating walking tour. Tempohan namin yung sikat na tour guide. Jing? Ayan yung kasama namin ngayon. Hinintay pa kami. Hindi ko lang malaman kung dahil kanino. So, yes.
For example, that window like a butterfly. So if you continue, we can see anything. We can imagine elephant somewhere. We can see the swings like in Egypt somewhere. So it depends on your imagination. Any types of rocks here. That's only beginning. That slide is not so deep, not so like big. Average depth of that canyon from 80 until 120. If compare with previous Black Canyon is much deeper, until 300 meters. So, but that one is much longer. You can walk between the valleys, that rocks. You can turn somewhere to right or left to touch that stones. But actually, that's formed by erosion thousands of years. Because previously, as we can recognize, it was part of the big river. Yeah, before the river, it was a part of the big lake, Alakoi. And before the lake, like in the Kalyazı era, when all the areas of Kazakhstan were part of the ocean, it was a part of the ocean. So now we are lucky to have canyon in our country. That's not common thing around the world. Yeah, you can find the lakes like Korsai around the world, like Alaska, Europe, like anywhere. But canyon is something specific and unique. So that's it.
Okay.
Very good.
Very good. Let's subscribe to your channel. What's the name of your channel? Thinking about what's your name?
Maybe Northstar Travel.
North in Kazakhstan. Or are you gonna vlog around the world?
So I'm planning to vlog around the world because from the Kazakhstan we don't have such good vloggers to travel around.
Ganda,
Famous destinations: Turkey, UAE, Egypt, Thailand. That's it. If some Kazakhstan is planning to go outside, like for vacation.
ganda. Hurry up, pinaliliwanag niya. Si Lian. Hurry up, Jing. Yan. Maganda dito sa baba. Yan, merong nandi sa taas. Yung mga namili na doon na lang sila, mas madali. Mas mahirap kasing pumalik mamaya. Pero meron naman palang nauupahan para ipanika. sana makikita ninyo. Okay. Meron din para dito sa Central Asia. Ang sikat nasa Amerika Grand Canyon. Hindi pa natin napupuntahan din yon. Ayan siya kaganda. Pasensya na kayo. Medyo tayo naglalakad. Sige, mo siya. Kanya-kanya talaga ng ano. Eh, nandun yung pinakadulo kasi. Ha? Kaganda. Grand Canyon dito sa Kazakhstan. Sa Jovin Almaty area. Tsaka anytime magiging Europe na siya. Kaya kailangan na ng visa doon, ng Schengen doon pagkatapos. Hindi naman, kailangan mo may US ka o kaya Japan, multiple.
Isa lang po din. I mean, if you have Japan already.
O basta multiple. Oo. Oh. Mas maganda siya. Ibilisi. Hindi binayaran ng misis ko. Dahil nabasa niya naman na yun, kaya pinilit niya yung ano.
Parang 200 pesos lang yung taxi.
Ganda oh. Ayan.
Kung hindi po kami nagtaksi po sa ano.
Kaya para sikat ito kaya pababatiin ko lang. Oo, sikat yan.
Napanood niyo kay Marvin?
Oo, sikat siya, di ba?
Ano natin kayo kay Marvin?
Oo. Kagaling kasi noon hindi siya mayabang.
Opo.
Can you greet your Filipino fans?
Huh?
Greet your Filipino fans. Filipinos.
Hi Filipinos. Big hugs from Kazakhstan. Waiting you here. Exactly here.
Yeah.
In the middle of Charin Canyon. Yeah.
We're just gonna wait
Come to
there.
Kazakhstan.
Panda.
Not Panda. News Travel.
News
See
Travel.
you. Waiting for you.
Yeah. See you in the Philippines.
Panda in the past. News
Yeah.
Travel is the future.
Yeah.
Mahal kita.
Oh yeah.
Basta kita.
Okay. Thank you.
So here we have shortcut to reach the top side. A little bit modulas, but
Yeah.
I hope you can do it. So, but the view is worth it. Really nice view from the top. Because as I said, top side is better, much better.
Then
And here, if you don't want to continue, you can take photo from that spot. You can visit that little like turning of cave site. Also, not bad experience. And you can continue with the top or continue until the second bench. Second bench is 600 kilometers away. 600 meters far away.
Kilometers.
which is better? Ticket. Where we can buy ticket?
Tickets only on the point B.
Point B. Yeah. We go to the point B.
Same transport.
Yeah.
As well, go from here.
Di ba tayo pupunta?
We'll continue, see you there.
Yeah.
Anyway, don't
We continues.
Thank you. Si Jenna, ayan. Anto, naglakad na eh.